Outlaw. 1. A person who has broken the law. 2. To make something illegal.
One last bullet to kill one last outlaw. How fitting. Huh?
Doing summer? I think that was outlawed a long time ago. You guys don't have summer? Well, that's terrible. Summer.
Promote. 1. To raise someone to a higher position or rank. 2. To encourage people to buy, use or support something.
Congratulations, buddy!
Oh, thanks, Patrick. And tonight, after my big promotion, we're gonna party till we're purple.
I love being
Of marketing. That's why they want lines around the block. Because they want a war to promote their product.
Undernourished. Not eating enough food.
The muscle of the heart is also undernourished, causing impaired function and eventually cardiac failure.
Illustrate. To show the meaning of something by giving examples.
Going counterclockwise would take 8 million gigawatts of energy, overloading the local power grid. I have prepared a little song to help illustrate my point. If you travel...
What is it? What is it for?
We built the pyramid a long time ago to illustrate how much people should eat of the 4 basic food groups. Sir, we abandoned the...
Disclose. To make something known publicly.
Yes, what's the current owner's name so I can rub it in my wife's face?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not allowed to disclose that information unless you're buying the house.
I see.
Legally?
No.
Listen to me. I am legally prohibited from disclosing anything.
Someone leaked my last deposition to the National Enquirer, Charlie.
Excessive. Too much.
Yeah.
The huge primitive teeth!
Yeah?
Oh, the excessive body hair.
Oh, that one's got a tail.
Yeah. That's right, Kent. The entire force is on the lookout for anyone with an excessive amount of change. Our top...
Disaster. An event causing great harm or damage.
Foot is down. The foot is down.
Good job, gentlemen. That could have been a disaster.
Well, that was a disaster.
No. This is a disaster. What?
Censor. 1. To remove parts of something, such as a book or movie. 2. A person who censors something.
Pipe. Oh, hi! As the Fox censor, it's my job to protect you from reality. And thanks to my prudent edit...
Ah! What are you doing? Censoring real life. His chin looks like
Culprit. Someone who has committed a crime or done something wrong.
When I catch the culprit, and I will, I'm gonna throw this away and use this instead.
Oh boy. All right, I think I found the culprit. This shrimp was lodged under one of your gums.
Wow, that must have been...
Juvenile. Relating to a young person.
They were detained when she was 12.
What happened to her?
Juvenile Reclamation Project.
Alone, she got 2 female juveniles, 1 possible male juvenile.
Bait. 1. Food used to attract fish, animals, or birds. 2. To deliberately try to make someone angry.
Silver, baby sharks have taken the bait.
Roger that. Okay, letter.
How often have I been baited by these peers and dare not be revenged, but their power is great.
Insist. To demand that something should happen.
While you run. Hi, Sven's family. It's nice to meet you. Because I love you, Anna. I insist you run. I understand.
You know, parties are fun, and it's tempting, but we can't because...
Oh, come on, I insist.
Okay, that's all that...